Understanding the different types of fixed vertical glazing systems. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we explore how construction and delivery methods have evolved and how fixed vertical glazing now covers several categories, including window wall, curtain wall, and storefront framing. So let's switch our focus now to vertical fixed frame options. Fixed vertical glazing is a category of frames. Within it are a number of subcategories, including these are window wall, curtain wall, and storefront. This building showcases each of these systems in their particular applications. Window wall can be used in high-rise applications. It is set within the structure of the building, single spans running from slab to slab. Curtain wall moves to the exterior of the structure and spans past it, allowing consistent exterior glazing. Storefront set within the structure of the building for low-rise and smaller elevations. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.